name of me is Oppo Reno 8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. Start by opening Play Store and installing your new default app, in my case Opera Mini browser. I already have it, so I can click on the home button and go into settings right away. Now scroll down, choose apps section here. Click on default apps and tap on one of those options. I wish to change my browsers, have to tap on browser app, choose Opera Mini and simply go back. As you can see now, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!